if you got a nail in your tire, this short video should explains how to take it out and seal it. You pretty much need just 3 things. This is one kit that you can buy it from any store, Walmart, or I can put the link down below. And then you need the plier to remove the screw. As you can see, we got a pretty huge screw here. So you just go underneath it, try to twist it, take it out. It's a pretty long one, it's pretty big. Maybe you can use another plier. You see it's big. Then you want to clean that hole. Then once it's already inside, that means you got the same size for this. So what we're gonna do is take it out. Then you just want to punch in, basically, you can see this, you want to punch it out all the way inside, all the way where you have like only this much left, and then cut it with a knife. And basically this will glue itself around the hole, and then all you gotta do is pull it out really fast. There you go. Now we finished how we fix it. We're gonna do the last step, which is test it. Get a soap and spray over here to see if there's any bubbles. In this case, there's no bubbles, which means no more air is leaking. And good to go. Thank you for watching.